ulit.
Yeah. Na-breezy ka na ba?
So, Pogi Traffic Manager, happy birthday, Breezy. Wish you all the best and I wish you all the happiness in life. So, ingat ka. See you soon.
Happy birthday kay Breezy. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana magbago ka na and stay what you are. Char! I wish you a good life and good health always. Love you! Yun lang. Breezy ka na ba?
Happy birthday, Breezy. Take care always. See you soon.
Hi Breezy, happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi and hope to see you soon. Na Breezy ka na ba?
Hi Ninong Rai, Breezy, Mr. Loverboy. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana magkita tayo soon and tigil-tigilan mo na pagiging kupal mo. Joke lang. Hindi, tuloy mo lang yan. Put people in their places. Ikaw, na Breezy ka na ba?
Hi, this is Christy Imperial. Happy birthday, Breezy. Ayan, sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana magkita na din tayo soon. Shot puno. Ayan, love lots.
Happy birthday, Breezy. More birthdays to come and God bless you. See you soon. Na Breezy ka na ba?
Happy birthday, Rai. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. I hope we can bond soon. Ingat ka palagi and God bless you.
Hi Rai, this is Ayana Misola. Happy birthday sa'yo and sana magka-jowa ka na. Thank you so much sa mga Breezy na t-shirts. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Jessie Garcia, Viva Artist. Happy birthday po kay Breezy. Ayan, mag-iingat po kayo palagi. More birthday to comes and God bless po.
Hello, Rai. Happy birthday. Hope to bond with you soon again. Grabe. I don't know kung ilang taon ka na ngayon, pero ingat ka parate. Bonding tayo soon. Na Breezy ka na ba? God bless you.
Happy birthday, Breezy. Enjoy your day, right?
On a roll up, breezy. Ain't control up, breezy.